There we go.
Bye.
Oh.
This birdie name.
Leah, come here. There's more over here.
Daddy, do you think you had one of those ones when you were a little kid?
I did not have one of these guys. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Bird's talking to you.
Hello. Hello. I dropped this. I dropped it.
Now look at these goats.
Why can't we hold them?
Oh, yeah.
Why not see flying?
Wow. They have big horns. Wow, guys. Oh, wow. These are very cool, Leah. What do you think their names are?
Drop.
Oh, they just kissed each other. Okay, Leah's got her compass and she's gonna show us the way.
All right, guide us through. Where are we headed, Captain?
Oh, there's more beautiful.
A lake.
Wow, I think it's a pond. What kind of animals do you think it's in that pond?
Hello, friends. Hello. You're a pretty bird. Hello. Wow, maybe
I think that was mom and I think that one's daddy.
Wow, what are they eating?
These are some.
Corn!
Yum, those are pretty chickens.
Wow.
Chickens always eat corn.
Wow, look at this big turkey. Look at this big turkey right here, Leah. What do you think his name is?
I think his name is Jerky Turkey. What do you think? Jerky Turkey.
Wow. Hello there, Mr. Turkey.
I see that turtle. It's right there.
Whoa, that is a
Where's the
big,
turtle?
that is a big poo-poo. What's, wow, they can grow up to 110 pounds and live for 50 years. Oh, look at that dragonfly.
Right by you. Must love you. That's an ostrich.
Wow.
Hi, little porky piggy. Hi, porky.
How happy he is. He's wagging his tail.
Hi, porky.
Hi, Porky. Oink, oink.
Daddy!
Oink, oink. What's over there? Whoa, those are big piggies. We should go check them out. That's a beautiful painted rock.
And all the animals here are sanctuary animals, meaning they're injured or they have a type of disease that needs treatment. Gilcrease Animal Sanctuary, I think.
Very nice. In Las Vegas, Nevada.
In Las Vegas, Nevada.
Whoa, that looks like a donkey
Oh my god.
and a
You're gonna
donkey in the
edit that
back.
part out, right?
Call the sheep's mommy.
Ah!
We're have a big pink sheep right here.
I don't think they're listening.
Are you gonna try to call the sheeps, Leah?
Try to baa for them.
The sheep.
Bye.
Ba.
Eres un poquito.
The sign says employees only, Leah. We cannot go beyond
Look at
that.
this little anthill. Do you remember when Mommy told you the story about Grandma putting Mommy in an anthill on accident? Mommy sat on one of those and all those ants crawled in Mommy's diaper.
Ouch!
Like a stage. If I was just a regular animal, this is where I would live. You can go sing a song on the stage for Mommy and Daddy. How about that?
That would be strange.
Look at this big stage. What kind of show?
We could do a dance up there.
Gonna go do a dance over there, Leah?
What is it?
Was that a big bug? Oh no! Boing, boing, boing.
Is there an elephant here, Mommy?
No, I wish. I love elephants so much. Elephants have very good memories, just like your mommy and you.
Why is there no park?
What a
That
nice,
was like a park.
yeah, what a nice, relaxing life they have. I would like to be a swan.
I wouldn't,
Why not?
because I was shy.
Daddy, look at that orange dragonfly on the blue agave. Oh, that ostrich just took a big shoot.
Someone's on the bridge. Help me.
It's very hot here.
Wow, look at this big.
And look, she eats also that.
What kind of food does she eat? Looks like there's
Salad. And look, she also eats watermelon just like me.
Yeah, just like you. She does.
And look, there's
Tortoise eat some salad and watermelon like you.
Okay, let's go see this ostrich.
Well, what's in there?
Come out.
What do you see?
Nothing.
Wow, what do you think? Who do you think lives there?
Think is there chicks in there?
Maybe baby chicks live in here. We're gonna, whoa, look at this guy, he has funny hair. Feathers, Daddy. But look at how beautiful you look. I love your hair. You're very stylish. Drink lots of water because staying hydrated is very, very important.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.